Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another weekly setup. It's time to set up this coming week, the first week in August, and we're just going to jump right in. I tried to pick some washi beforehand so I wasn't sitting and staring at the paper, and I picked these cute little cherries. Don't know why. It wasn't the theme that I was planning on going with, but it jumped out at me. You gotta follow the feeling. So I went with it. Kind of a pink and red theme there. I'm excited to be starting a new month. Holy shit, am I excited to be starting a new month. I'm kind of done with July. I was just struggling hard throughout most of the month, as you guys probably noticed. But that's okay. Shit happens, right? I'm just not very good at dealing with the shit when it does happen. It just makes me kind of spiral. But, pick yourself back up. This red, I think, is a cute little coordinating splash of color. Red. What am I even saying? I don't know. I just got home from work. I filmed this during the day. Today is Sunday. And I filmed this during the day, and then I had to go to work this afternoon. So it's 11:30 at night, and I just got home from work. And I decided to do the voiceover so that it could upload overnight because our internet is a piece of shitty garbage, and so it takes like 12 hours. So if I can let it upload while I sleep, then you might have a video in the next 36 hours to watch. So I'm thinking about you guys, but the downside is I'm slightly delirious. I don't know if that makes me at all different from how I normally am, but I decided to do this lettering with a Tombow marker, and I have told you my woes of Tombow writing. I'm not great at it, but I'm getting better, I think. I just have to pick up the pen. I try and do it in one fluid movement, and that does not work. Like, I have to do the thick downstrokes with the big side of the pen, like the brush tip side, and then I just have to pick it up and then go very lightly with the tip of the pen. I can't just try and vary the pressure of my hand. My brain doesn't work that way. I just can't do it. I'm like a ham hand with it. Gorilla fists. I just can't go light enough. So, but anyways, in my janky way, it does turn out. So I think it looks okay. It looks kind of cute. July 30th through, I believe, August 5th. And then I did, with my Pentel sign pens, I did the, it's like a dark green. I don't know if you can tell. I should have zoomed in more. You can't really see the colors very well, but it's like a dark green. So I decided to do a drop shadow in a dark green instead of like a black. So it's like shades of green, and I do like that. And if you could see the washi better, you would see that the cherry leaves are like kind of that dark green. So there's a theme, it was planned. And then I am doing the dates with that dark green Pentel sign pen. Those are nice pens. I like them. They are good for smaller lettering. I think I said that before. They're kind of like those Tombow tiny brush pens that I like because you can do smaller brush lettering with them. Ooh, I decided to show you the pens there so you could see. Real fancy like. And I'm just writing in the dates. I decided to track some exercise and food this week instead of doing like a word of the week or whatever. I liked that for July. I just wanted to try something different. So I split that bottom box up, and I'm going to put a little silverware sticker in one and then a little weight sticker in the other so that I can record what I do, because I do hope to actually do something. And then I put a Dare to Begin sticker. That's from one of those Target sets. And it doesn't match at all. I mean, it's navy, and I think the writing is pink, but I just liked it. And then a little like green leaf thing, also from the Target spot. I did like the little leaves up by the dates, so I think that looks cute. That little tiny sticker says, I think it's notes or something, and I put some other little flags in there that say different things, and then I decided to take them up because I didn't like them. And then that says, I think daydreams or something like that, and I'm leaving myself some space to put maybe a sprocket picture from the week. And that sticker that I just plunked down there by my the little weight in the food says jot that down, I believe. So I don't know, guys. I'm just sticking stuff down. This Tombow pen is like a pinky reddy color, and I'm just doing the days of the week with my green Tombow pen again, trying to do use the thick part of the brush, and then the skinny part for the upstroke. I do like it, I did not think I would, but once I got used to writing with them, I did like it. So, what do you know? All those dumbasses that say practice does help were right all along. So, what do you know? I'm splitting up that big box into two, so that I can make a full box for Sunday. I got a lot of errands to do tomorrow, so I gotta go to bed after this, even though I really want to just like sit down and veg out and eat junk food and watch something on Netflix or something. I don't know. Is The Handmaid's Tale on Hulu, or is that on Amazon Prime? I don't know. I feel like I've seen it before, but I don't know what Hulu is, and I don't think we have that. So where would I have seen it if it wasn't on Netflix or Amazon? I don't know. I've heard it's really good, so I kind of want to watch that. I know Michael has zero interest in it, so it's going to have to be something that I watch on my own. Even though I watch things that I don't really want to watch just for his sake, like, I don't know, the sword making show on, I don't even know what channel it is, Forged in Fire. Yeah, I could tell you how to forge a sword right now. I could. Take some 1080 steel and, mix it with the, blah, whatever. But my point is, I watch things that he, likes because I like him. So he needs to watch something that I like because hopefully he likes me. It's a little late if he doesn't, quite honestly. Now I'm showing you the last week. Oh, and we're almost done. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for coming, and please subscribe because I want to grow this farty little channel into something beautiful and amazing and not farty. Thank you.